Hey guys, it's Crafty Life, and today we are going to be testing out the Elmer's glow-in-the-dark glue. It says new, great for slime. See? Right there. And then it also says washable, safe, non-toxic, and 5 ounce. So it's 5 ounce, which is not that much. So we're going to be testing it out. So they have pink, green, and blue, so we got the blue one. So let's get started.
Hope you guys like this video because it cost us a lot for the glue.
And hopefully it glows in the dark once it turns.
We're also selling glow in the dark slime now, so check it on eBay. I'll put it on the link.
Yeah. And
I'll create a coupon code for you guys.
And what you'll need for this slime is some borax or any activator you'd like of your choice. Something to mix with, something to mix in, and some water and some glue.
Okay, let's get started.
So let's pour the glue in. Whoa. Is that pretty, guys? It's like glitter glue, but glow in the dark. This is like very thick, so it's basically glitter glue, but it has like, I guess, like glow in the dark, like paint or something in it. Who knows? Okay. I'm just gonna let it drip out.
We're still gonna do a face review. It might be in our next video, so make sure you stay tuned for that.
And comment down below if you want us to do another video with a 3-year-old.
And remember, 40th subscriber, make sure to turn off your privacy settings. Make sure to subscribe and turn on post notifications. And we'll send you a free slime.
Yeah, for 40th subscriber.
No shipping, all shipping is included.
So, you don't have to pay for anything.
Yes.
But we get to pick the slime that we put from.
Oh no, it might be this.
Yeah. It'll be good, trust us. Okay, so we have that, and now we're just gonna add the water because there's still a lot in there. See? It looks like mermaid glue, like, you know the kit that they get? See, guys? Like, yeah, so I'm gonna just drip some water in. I'm gonna put about, I guess, that much. And I spilled some. That's fine. I'll clean it up after. So, mix. I used the whole bottle, so it's not a lot in there, but it's okay. It's very thick though. See, guys? All the bubbles. If you guys want this to be a thick slime, then you don't have to add with the water. It's optional. But I did just to get everything out of the glue. And as you can see, there's like a lump there of glue. I'm just gonna get that out. Glue farts.
And at the end of the video, we'll show you the glow-in-dark feature of this glue.
Yeah. So stay tuned. And now you could just like hold it upside down or just, I guess, put it somewhere to hold upside down. So.
And we have switched our location from the bathroom where you've been doing it. So now we're doing it
I'm gonna go clean up this water and be right back. Okay, so I cleaned up the water and I put the water away. So now we're just gonna mix it.
Very thick.
Yeah, it's very apparently. So if you like, there's like lumps in it. Do you guys see? Like when you're mixing it, it's not smooth. But hopefully it comes together. And if you guys want to buy the slime, we're selling it, so
on eBay, I'll put the link for it.
Yeah.
And if you guys subscribe and turn off your privacy settings, we can know who you guys are, and we can also give you a coupon code for the slime.
Yeah.
And if you're the 50th subscriber, free slime too, also.
Yeah. So it's all mixed in. Do you guys see it? Like,
we need one more subscriber, guys. Come on.
So If you guys like really want this slime and you don't like have the ingredients to make it and your parents allow you to buy it, then you guys should buy this.
Or we can also sell ingredients if you guys want. Just put
like
it
a
in
kit kind of thing, like a bottle of glue, some borax, or like detergent or something.
Yeah, we can make one for you guys.
Yeah. Just on Instagram, message us. Like,
yeah, I'll put that link.
Yeah. Okay, so it is starting to like clump up because we're adding the borax already. So, sorry if you hear any background noise. So it is starting to form into a lump, kind of. Like, see? And I will be doing some ASMR of this slime. And comment down ideas of what slime we should do next. And what slime we should do with a 3-year-old next, too. If you guys want us to do another one of those videos. Okay, so. Okay, so clumping up, and it's taking a lot of borax apparently, so you guys can...
Let's just add a lot to one time. Can we do that?
No, but then I'll get over borax.
If you guys have any questions, we can answer them for you guys.
Comment down below. Maybe in one of our videos we could do a question and answer.
But remember, if you comment, we will get the comment on our
We always look at our comments, so if you have any questions, just ask us down there. Or message us on Instagram.
And sorry we're taking so long for our slime making because we haven't had much time making it.
Yeah.
So.
But we try to post as much as we can. Okay. Sorry for this taking a long time to like activate.
So, yeah.
So we'll be right back once this turns into slime. So
okay, guys, it started to clump. Oh, sorry for interrupting.
Okay, so
Classic showdown.
So it clumped up a lot, so we just started to mix with our hands. Ah, sorry about that.
You got it on my hand. Borax is a very expensive chemical.
Well, I thought I got it on camera.
Oh, wow, not caring about me.
Okay, so this did take a lot of borax, but I guess that's fine.
The borax on your hand will it burn through you?
No.
And make sure, you guys, you do not eat this.
Yeah, do not eat this.
Otherwise, you're going to have a fatal problem.
And if you guys if you guys are gonna buy our slime, then you guys can message us on Instagram, and then maybe we could give you a couple of extras.
Yes, we can.
In your package.
Candy,
and maybe an extra small slime. But you have to message us before you buy it. So this is almost ready. There's like so much glitter here. Do you see it?
Here, let's scoop it out.
Okay.
It's hard to do with one hand. I'll let her do it.
Yeah.
Yes. You can see that's a her. Not a him, you know?
Yeah.
Would you like to see the fish?
No.
No? Okay. Just saying her name. Oh, sorry, I cannot reveal that. It invades privacy.
Okay, so look at the slime, guys. It's like very nice.
You guys could like Netflix? Well, I like Netflix.
Okay, can you?
Oh, okay, sorry.
Okay, so the slime is done. We're just gonna scoop everything from this.
Scooping.
Unless you want to throw this all away, which I don't think we would want to do that.
It's
My spatula broke, guys. You guys see that? It broke. Okay, so we're just gonna.
Don't act like a glitter. Oh, sorry, I said my name. Just don't edit that part out. If I won't. Hey, Sanjay. Oh, sorry, I won't edit that out.
Okay, so The slime is almost done, and my spatula kind of broke in the middle. Okay, so I'm just finishing scooping everything out, and there's like a lot of glitter.
We have a problem, guys.
Yeah.
This lady doesn't like to show her face because she has friends at school.
Well, at least I have friends.
Because her friends watch and she's embarrassed.
Okay, no, I'm not.
So why won't you show your face, or can I not say your name? Alright guys, just go to the last video and it says her name. Because a little 3-year-old says her name, okay?
Yeah. There's a lot
of... edit that part out.
Yeah, there's a lot of editing to do in that video, so...
I didn't do it. Took me 4 hours anyway.
It's kind of like sticky, but not sticky. Do you guys like know the feeling?
So we're gonna do some ASMR.
Once I get everything out of the bowl.
It's also a comedy/funny channel if you guys weren't wondering.
Do you guys see that? Yeah, I think it's easier for you to see it.
Alright, that's good enough. The bowl is practically clean.
Yeah, sure. I'm gonna get all the glitter.
Don't be that pretty.
Okay, I'll do it later.
Oh, pat it down with the meat cleaver.
That's
Blech.
the meat cleaver.
Blech, blech,
Okay,
blech.
stop. Okay, I'm gonna do some ASMR for you guys.
ASMR!
There's slime over there, sorry.
It's her new desk, so she doesn't want to ruin it.
Since you guys don't like it when we make videos in the bathroom, this is our new spot. Okay, so I'm just gonna do some ASMR. So we're just gonna do some ASMR.
Ducky. Oh yeah, it's supposed to be quiet. Look at that's one. Please move your hand. Alright, so now we're going to show you the glow in dark.
Yeah. So we're back and we're in the dark place. So look at it. It's glow in the dark. It's so cool, guys. And you guys should definitely buy this slime because it glows in the dark after. And if you guys can't see, it's more glow in the dark in real life.
Alright, see ya, guys.
Yeah, so...
It's not yellow, just saying. It's more greenish.
Yeah, it just looks like that.
See ya.